Start with our closing ceremony. I request the Registrar, King Edward Medical University and Secretary Organizing Committee, Professor Syed Asghar Naqvi, to take his seat at the head table. I request Chairman Organizing Committee, Professor Mohammad Imran, to take his seat at the head table. I request Chairman Audiovisual Committee, Professor Mohammad Harun Hamid, to take the seat at the head table. I request Chairman Scientific Committee, Professor Ali Madi Hashmi, to take the seat at the head table. I request Chairman, Refreshment and Entertainment Committee, Dean Basic Sciences, Professor Dr. Tareen Fatma, to take the seat at the head table. So we are all going to stand for National Anthem. I'm going to invite Dr. Asif Khan, President, KEMCA UK, for his brief closing remarks.
Assalamu alaikum. I think I've already shared some presentation yesterday, and I wanted to first of all thank you, Vice Chancellor, all my respected colleagues, my teachers, my colleagues from KEMCA UK. Thank you very much, and my dear students. Thank you for joining. The scientific symposium, Universal Healthcare Vision of Dr. Athar Saeed, who started for the last 8 years. And this is what KEMCA UK is going to bring, inshallah, every year. A lot of wealth of knowledge to you all. जब हम हाउस जॉब कर रहे थे तो हमारे एक लेजेंडरी केमकोलियन प्रोफेसर मुमताज़ हसन मरहूम, उन्होंने कहा था कि you Chemcolians are born to walk on red carpet, and that's what Chemcolians are. Wherever they are in the world, they are the leaders, and alhamdulillah we have seen that. जहाँ पर केमकाना ने अपनी 50th anniversary, I congratulate Kemkana for doing that. Mashallah, they've been serving, across the world, and especially coming back to Alma Mater, and they've been doing a lot of infrastructure work. KEMCA UK has celebrated last year Silver Jubilee, and this is now KEMCA UK is more focused to transfer of knowledge, bringing universal healthcare, because we wanted you guys to develop that specific genetic skills, which not only going to help you, going abroad. I think अगर आप उन genetic skills को, इस knowledge को आप adapt करें, तो आप पाकिस्तान में भी रह के बहुत बेहतर फिजिशियन, बल्कि हमसे बेहतर फिजिशियन बन सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपके पास यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा पेशेंट वर्कलोड है, इतने ज़्यादा पैथोलॉजीज़ हैं, एंड यू लर्न अ लॉट. जो चीज़ें मैंने यहाँ पर हाउस जॉब में सीखी थी, अभी तक जाके वो पैथोलॉजीज़ मैंने जाके यूके में पिछले 20 सालों में नहीं देखी, एंड दैट क्लिनिकल नॉलेज हेल्प सो मच. हमने यहाँ पर पिछले कई सालों में प्राइमरी पीसीआई जो कार्डियोलॉजी इंटरवेंशन है, जो कि अब माशाल्लाह डॉक्टर जावेद अकरम की सरबराही में जब शुरू हुई लाहौर में पिछले 3 सालों में, वी टेक प्राइड एज ए केमका यूके टीम के जो कार्डियोलॉजी डॉक्टर तारिक अजीम ने यहाँ आके लेक्चर्स दिए और शुरू की. और आज सुबह प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन के लेक्चर में डॉक्टर बिलाल मोहिउद्दीन, जो कि पंजाब इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी के चेयरपर्सन हैं, उन्होंने आके बताया कि पंजाब इस वक्त लाहौर ओनली 6000 प्राइमरी पीसीआई इस वक्त कंडक्ट कर रहा है, विच इज़ अ बिग आई विल से क्रेडिट टू पंजाब गवर्नमेंट एज वेल पंजाब इंस्टीट्यूट कार्डियोलॉजी एंड जावेद अकरम साहब. वरना आप इससे पहले, क्योंकि आपका हार्ट अटैक अगर 2 घंटे के अंदर फिक्स नहीं हो रहा, योर हार्ट मसल विल डाई, एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट एफर्ट बाय द गवर्नमेंट नाउ दैट आप स्पेशली पंजाब में और लाहौर में ये फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल है. केमका यूके, आई थिंक apart from what we are doing already in terms of transferring the knowledge and everything, we will be starting few more projects inshallah. उसमें से need based scholarship program for our graduates, it has already been started now with the class of 1982. So inshallah we will select our students who needs more support financial, and we will inshallah continue to support every year on long term basis inshallah. In terms of the charity work, because हमारा focus केमका यूके का एक charity का chapter है पूरा जो हम इसको करते हैं, और last 2 years में केमका यूके ने more than 2 crore rupees has been raised for Gaza. So people in Palestine, हमारे जनरल सेक्रेटरी अब्दुल्ला गुज्जर has been leading the project, And last 2 years, we are only not supporting them where they are based in Gaza. We also have supported them even during Ramadan. So Alhamdulillah, we will continue to support that. और यही बात है कि ये कैंप कोलियन चाहे दुनिया में ना सिर्फ एजुकेशन क्लिनिकल एस्पेक्ट पे काम करें, बल्कि ह्यूमैनिटेरियन क्राइसिस जहाँ पर भी आती है, पाकिस्तान में फ्लड्स आते हैं, हमारी टीम यहाँ पर हर जगह पंजाब, चित्राल, खुजदार में हमने वी हैव कंडक्टेड अ फुल कैंप का यूके विलेज, जिसमें पूरे लास्ट 2 years से we've been supporting them even in Eid and Qurbani. So inshallah we will continue to support inshallah and sort of these projects. Last not the least, Lady HSN Hospital जो कि हमारा neighboring hospital है, उसमें 2 operation theatre जिनको हम इंशाल्लाह fully functional कर रहे हैं by providing full anesthesia machine support, और इंशाल्लाह we will be doing opening ceremony for that today. So our Campcolians have supported for that. So 50 lakh rupees we have raised, and inshallah 2 machines will be installed, and inshallah we'll be doing operations in inshallah Lady HSN Hospital. I think I will not take more than time, but I will say inshallah in future our team will be coming here, and thank you very much for all welcome support we get. We love to come back every year, and inshallah next year there will be another president from Kemka UK, but I think I will still stick to Kemka UK inshallah as well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening talk. I request Dr. Danish Bhatti, President Kamkana, for the closing remarks.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. So, what an excellent lecture by Professor Ali. Thoroughly impressive. And if you think about it, what makes it as an excellent lecture is the lifetime spent in doing excellent work. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप 4 कहीं से articles उठा लें and you can create an impactful lecture. It has to build a story, because the story was the work that has gone into putting this together. और हम excellence celebrate कर रहे थे डॉक्टर उमैया की. So I read about Umayya first, actually not him, but about Umayya Reservoir जब मैं steps की तैयारी कर रहा था 2005-06 में. And it didn't click, but eventually when I learned, so brain cancer में एक ही drug होती है, और वो उस ज़माने में, और वो reservoir में डाल के दी जाती थी because it doesn't cross blood-brain barrier. So Dr. Umayya, being a neurosurgeon doing brain surgeries, he was thinking of creative ways on how to deliver that drug to the brain. In America में हम एक जुमला बड़ा use करते हैं, you can just do things. Okay? If you think of something, just go ahead and do it. You don't need permissions, you don't need to ask, can this be done, can this not be done. वो बड़ा मशहूर story है Mozart के बारे में. He started writing the whole orchestra's operas at age 13. Somebody came to him, he was 30-something-year-old, he said, can I write operas? He said, no, you cannot. He said, but you started writing at age 13. He said, yes, but I was not going around asking others if I can write an opera. So if you're going to go ask around, then of course you cannot do it, it's not going to happen, you can just do things. But that also brings me to another quote in US that we often mention, which is that we don't do things because they are hard or easy. We do things because they are right. So if you are looking for excellence, you have to do things because they are the right things to do, not because they're going to give you benefit now. What is your immediate benefit out of it? And that's what Kemkana stands for. Kemkana is about achieving that excellence, trying to get to a state where you are doing the best that you can. Again, another quote अंग्रेजी में बड़ा यूज़ होता है कि when you are committed to something, you have to give it your 100%. You do not do things half-hearted. If you Netflix पे अगर आप लोगों के पास access है, you will watch a documentary called Hero Dreams of Sushi. That's the only Michelin 3-star sushi restaurant in the world. बहुत hard achieve करना. 3-star का मतलब होता है कि it's worth flying into that country just to eat at that restaurant and come back. That's 3-star in Michelin. और वो बताया कहता है कि once I decided I'm gonna be a sushi chef, I will even dreams of new ways of making sushi. कि आप उठते बैठते जागते सोचते उसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचते हैं, and you're trying to bring that excellence to you with that full commitment, 100% commitment of what you're doing. Coming back to that lecture, lastly, it was so amazing to see the pattern कि जो impairment आ रही है, traumatic stress, mouse हैं, they are risk taking, बच्चे हैं, वो pleasure impairment हो रही है, defiance आ रहा है. In a lot of these things मैं काम करता हूँ न्यूरोडिजेनरेटिव डिसऑर्डर्स में, हम डोपामीन पे काम करते हैं, रिसर्च करते हैं. So हम पार्किंसंस में देखते हैं कि डोपामीन, जिनको पार्किंसंस होती है, लो डोपामीन स्टेट के पेशेंट्स, दे नेवर टेक रिस्क, दे आर ऑलवेज वेरी लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन्स. तो उसका एक पूरा प्रोफाइल हम काम करते हैं. But this cycle you can break yourself by changing that pattern, changing the habit. अगर आप अच्छी बात रिसर्च की होती है कि हम एवरेजेस की बात तो करते हैं, but if you remember those charts you were seeing, there was a long spread. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हर बंदा जिसका लाइफ टाइम का पेरेंटल का ट्रॉमेटिक एक्सपोजर है कि उसने लाजमी इम्पेयर्ड होना ही है. वी टॉक अबाउट एवरेजेस. ऑन एवरेज दैट ग्रुप हैज़ मच वर्स परफॉर्मेंस, बट दे आर ऑल्सो quite low, much better people in that cohort. Why can't we be that of that, right? That was Gymkhana about. मैं जब स्टूडेंट था यहाँ पे, तो हमारे एक टीचर थे एनाटमी के, वो कहा करते थे कि देयर इज़ ऑलवेज स्पेस ऑन द टॉप, कि आप जो जितनी भी स्ट्रगल नीचे चल रही हो, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज स्पेस ऑन द टॉप, जस्ट क्लाइंब द हिल. और ऊपर बड़ी जगह है, नीचे आपको बड़ा क्राउडेड लग रहा है कि बड़ी बहस हो रही है, बड़ा मुकाबला है, कैसे मिलेगा वो मिलेगा, बट वंस यू गेट टू दैट एक्सीलेंस यू विल बिकम वेरी फ्यू एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू गेट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स Gymkhana and Kamkulian great. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my honor now and privilege to invite a distinguished clinician, academic leader and educationalist, Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz, Vice Chancellor King Edward Medical University and Patron-in-Chief of 45th Annual International Scientific Conference, for his enlightening closing address.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The very honorable chief guest, Mia Mushtaba Shujaur Rahman, he is the provincial minister for the finances of Punjab, the real treasurer of Punjab. पंजाब का ख़जाना जिसके पास है, आज वो खुद हमारे पास है. तो सर आपके आने का यहाँ पे बहुत शुक्रिया. King Edward Medical University is really truly honored and privileged that you accepted our invitation to be here today. So it's really a great pleasure to have you here today. And it is an equally enlightening moment for me that my very own teacher, the provincial minister for health, लोग इनको कहते हैं कि ये past minister है, ऐसा नहीं है. Still both the ministers, उन्होंने स्टेज पे बैठ के, both the health ministers, उन्होंने कहा कि हम अभी भी हेल्थ के बारे में इन्हीं से रहनुमाई हासिल करते हैं. और इसी स्टेज पे खड़े होकर किंग एडवर्ड के पोडियम पर ने कहा कि ही इज़ आवर टीचर. सो सर यू आर स्टिल द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग हियर टुडे विद अस. आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी. यू आर अ ल्यूमिनस टीचर, यू आर ग्रेट कैम्कोलियन, यू हैव बीन अ वाइस चांसलर ऑफ सो मेनी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के जिसको मैं काउंट भी नहीं कर सकता, बट स्टिल किंग एडवर्ड मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ हिज फर्स्ट लव सर. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड it's equally pleasurable for me to actually welcome all the esteemed faculty members, the distinguished guests, the dear Kamkolians. लेकिन ये उन सब मिला के ये सारी जो महफिल कल और आज की हमने सजाई है, हमारी अपनी एल्यूमनाई के लिए है, because they take out their time to come back to Pakistan. So I am very pleased to welcome representatives from APNA, representatives from Gymkhana, representatives from Camca UK, and representatives from the Camca PK. And all their presidents are here, and I'm so glad you've listened to them, and I'm so glad that they are here today. So sir, thank you very much for being here today with us. और इसके साथ साथ मेरी बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी कि ये क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी इसमें प्रोफेसर जो है ना हमारे साथ असद असलम साहब यहाँ पे तशरीफ़ फरमाओ, बिकॉज ही इज़ द वाइस चांसलर ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी एज़ वेल. किंग एडवर्ड के जितने भी पुराने वाइस चांसलर्स हैं वो हमेशा वाइस चांसलर्स ही होते हैं, वो कभी रिटायर नहीं होते. सो दे आर पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ किंग एडवर्ड. सो सर थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग हियर. और इस सारे टेन्योर में जो कल 2 दिन हमारे गुजरे, उससे पहले 27 प्री कॉन्फ्रेंस वर्कशॉप heavily attended, heavily actually designed to benefit the students and the faculty. और उसके बाद कल से लेके आज तक 2 दिन लगातार, yesterday 7 parallel sessions, today 6 parallel sessions, numerous lectures, numerous academic sessions which we had, and to actually cap all of them was today's lecture by our dear, you have just listened to him by Dr. Ali Javed. Thank you very much for being here, enlightening us It was a befitting lecture, so we are very thankful. और इस सारी बातों के बाद, आपकी alertness, आपकी तवज्जो हासिल करने के बाद, मैं अब आपको सलाम करूँगा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. So thank you very much. And I hope that you have all enjoyed this program which we have put together as much as we enjoyed while we were putting it together. जब हम हमारे रजिस्ट्रार डॉक्टर नकी और डॉक्टर मोइन जो हमारे प्रो वाइस चांसलर हैं, both the Professor Imrans and the whole faculty at the King Edward Medical University, we had multiple joint sessions together. हमने बैठे, उसमें हमने बात की, हमने एक दूसरे से मशवरा किया, and we thought that it is going to be really a very pleasurable occasion to have the people from all over the world come down to us at King Edward Medical University and enlighten us. So we are very thankful to the alumni because I call them as the greatest treasure of King Edward Medical University. मैं इसलिए उनको ऐसा कहता हूँ because they are the ones who develop, who basically enhance, and who actually glorify King Edward Medical University, and they've been doing so for the last 165 years. But every December, just like migratory birds, they will just come back to King Edward Medical University, but वो अकेले नहीं आते. They bring with them the wealth and wisdom of their knowledge and experience which they have gained over the last 1 year from the best training centers and teaching centers all over the world. और यहाँ आके हमें सिखाते हैं, हमें पढ़ाते हैं, हमें बताते हैं कि जो है ना नया नॉलेज क्या है और हमें आगे कैसे बढ़ना है. So I am so grateful for the alumni to basically come over here in Pakistan and actually help us out in our own endeavor towards, जिसके बारे में दानिश बात कर रहे थे, excellence के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. और being a vice chancellor, मेरा सिर्फ एक ही काम है इस यूनिवर्सिटी के अंदर. मेरा काम है to just make sure that this university is actually rebuilt, restored and revitalized and repositioned as the #1 university of Pakistan, and then gradually going ahead and ahead. और इसके लिए विजन मेरा बड़ा ही सिंपल है कि एक तो है कि ये लर्नर्ड सेंटर होना चाहिए कि जो आप लोग हैं इनके ऊपर हमारा सारा फोकस होना चाहिए, एंड दे शुड बी डिस्कवरी ड्रिवन. हमें नया नॉलेज क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत है, एंड वी शुड बी ग्लोबली इंगेज. जो जैसे हम ये इंगेजमेंट्स करते हैं अपनी ऑल ओवर द ग्लोब, ये हमारा काम है इसको करना. एंड आई एम सो प्राउड that the brilliant students of King Edward Medical University, their scholarly faculty and it's very able administration, they have collectively put this vision together, and now we are on the verge of breaking our steps into the future, rather we are there. और मैं आपको 5-6 छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें गिनाऊंगा जो हमने अभी recently achieve की with the help of everybody जिसका मैंने mention किया है. First of all, the development of the School of Artificial Intelligence. It is there, it is robust, it is working, and it is in full speed. बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और हमारे students ने सर they have created 9 apps और जो हमने उसको market कर रहे हैं. और प्रोफेसर सायरा अफजल उसके रूए रवान थी, उन्होंने इसको किया. अब इसको डॉक्टर जो है ना उज़ैर उसको लुक आफ्टर करते हैं, बट दे आर गोइंग एट ग्रेट स्पीड और बहुत ज़बरदस्त काम कर रहे हैं. उसके साथ साथ हमारे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पैथोलॉजी ने प्रोफेसर फायज़ा और प्रोफेसर सजाद सिटिंग हियर, they were very instrumental in helping me out with the collaboration of the University of Columbia to develop our own biobank. जिस यूनिवर्सिटी का अपना बायोबैंक नहीं, वो कैसे रिसर्च का दावा कर सकती है, वो कैसे कह सकती है कि हम कर सकते हैं. और बायोबैंक का होना तो सिर्फ सफिशिएंट नहीं है. वी नीडेड टू हैव अ जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग सेंटर, सो वी डिड डेवलप अ जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग सेंटर. वी हैव अ जीनोम सीक्वेंसर्स वेयर वी एक्चुअली ट्राई टू ब्रेक द कोड ऑफ द जेनेटिक डिजीजेस, द हेरिडिटरी डिसऑर्डर्स, द कैंसर्स विच वी कम अक्रॉस. और उन कैंसर्स की हम जेनेटिक कोड्स को ब्रेक करके we find out the defective gene and we try to provide the best possible advice and the treatment for these patients. So I'm so thankful for the oncology department, the pathology department. They have been very instrumental in actually putting this thing together. और उसके बाद जैसे जैसे हम ये करते गए, we got our journal as an impact factor ranked journal, the first journal in the public medical universities in Pakistan apart from UHS, जो कि प्रोफेसर जावेद अकरम साहब ने उसको किया. और उसके बाद शायद अब हम उनसे आगे निकलते चले जा रहे हैं क्योंकि इस तरह का विजनरी शायद ही किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी को नसीब हो, लेकिन हमें हमारे पास है क्योंकि इनका एडवाइस हमारे साथ हर वक्त शामिल होता है. सो सर आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू यू, आपने हमें सब चीज़ों में मदद की. और उसके बाद फिर हमने अपनी QS रैंकिंग को बड़ा किया, उसमें प्रोफेसर सायरा अफजल का और हमारे QC डिपार्टमेंट का बहुत ज़बरदस्त हाथ है. और उसके बाद Now we are stepping into innovations. हमारी faculty ने, हमारी alumni ने अपने 17 patents develop किए. The 18th, which was the latest, was developed by Professor Irfan Munir, who is a chemicalian. सारी research उसकी यहाँ पे conduct की गई, and we have developed our own automated peritoneal dialysis machine, जिसको FDA ने approve किया, उसको patent किया, and now इसकी second generation जो है ना market हो रही है. This happened during this year and last year. So I'm very grateful for the alumni to helping us a lending hand. That is how the universities and the alumni they work. अब ये बहुत ज़्यादा डोनेट करते हैं, ये इतना ज़्यादा पैसा हमें देते हैं कि हमें किसी आगे के आगे हाथ फैलाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं रहती. मतलब दी कैमकाना एंड दी कैमका पाकिस्तान दे डोनेट सो मच कि हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है कि हम किसी के आगे से कहें कि हमें कोई चीज़ लेकर दे. बट उसके अलावा जो ये हमारी मदद करते हैं, दैट इज़ द एकेडमिक्स विच दे बिल्ड, दैट इज़ द नॉलेज विच दे इम्पार्ट, दैट इज़ द रिसर्च एंडेवर्स विच दे एक्चुअली स्पॉन्सर. सो वंस अगेन मैं इनका शुक्र अदा कर करके थक जाऊंगा, लेकिन शुक्रिया पूरा अदा नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन मैं इनकी तरफ से अपने स्टूडेंट्स को वही पैगाम देना चाहता हूँ जो मैं हमेशा से देता आया हूँ कि देखें बात यह है, इट्स टाइम टू एक्चुअली मेक श्योर दैट यू, ये आप मेडिकल कॉलेज में पहुँच कर डॉक्टर्स बन रहे हैं, ये यहाँ पे बात ख़त्म नहीं हो जाएगी. ऑलवेज सीक न्यू नॉलेज, because this new knowledge is going to bring you everything. Enter into genomics, enter into gene sequencing, enter into robotics, enter into artificial intelligence, and this is going to bring you everything, whatever you want in your life. Tamam izzat, shohrat, nek, nami, paisa keh le, everything will be gotten by you. लेकिन जो दानिश की बात मैं यही रिपीट करूँगा कि seeking new knowledge is not enough. You have to seek excellence. You have to seek excellence. Because excellence is also going to make sure, और जिस ने कहा कि it is a habit. ये ऐसा नहीं है, it is not going to come from one day. It is a habit. It is daily, day in and out. Is you ensure that you put in such hard work that your desires and your wills and your dreams, they come true just by sheer putting in a hard sustained effort into one single thing. और इसी के बारे में मुनार रोम ने कहा था, जो मैंने कल भी आपसे बात की, कि उन्हें कहा था कि कसब कमाल कुन के अजीज़ जहाँ शवी, जिसका मतलब है कि if you seek excellence, the whole world is going to love you, the whole world is going to admire you. हर कोई आपकी कुर्बत हासिल करने की कोशिश करेगा, बट उसका फ्लिप साइड भी आपको जानना चाहिए कि कसब कमाल इल्म, दैट इफ़ यू लैक इन योर नॉलेज एंड स्किल्स, ये ज़र्द बनेम जो कि तुम्हारी जो औकात है सिर्फ यू विल बी जस्ट हाफ अ बारलेस सीड, फ़कत नीम के आधे बीज के बराबर. दैट इज़ वॉट यू आर, जौ के दाने के बराबर, नीम जौ आधे दाने के बराबर. सो हम आधे दाने के बराबर नहीं होना चाहते. कहा गया कि you all deserve a red carpet always in your life because you are from King Edward Medical University, you are chemicalians, the great chemicalians, and you keep on contributing towards King Edward Medical University. ये यहाँ से जाके आपका तल्लुक़ ख़त्म नहीं हो जाएगा. ये जो alumni आज काम कर रही है, ये आपको दिखा रही है कि yes, this can be done. You go to the best centers of the world, get yourselves trained, assume new knowledge, achieve excellence, but come down back. Start giving back to your own university. और ये सारा काम जो आप कर रहे हैं, this is directed towards only one important effort, and that is what? To look after your patients. ये सब, it boils down to just one important thing. One single patient lying in the emergency of Mayo Hospital looking for your kindness, your help. जैसा मैंने कल आपसे जिक्र किया था कि long after your prescriptions will be forgotten, long after your tests will be forgotten, long after the treatments which you offer to those patients, they'll all be forgotten. The only one thing which they will remember is a kind word spoken to them at the time of need. नरमी से जो आपने बात की है, जिसका मैंने जिक्र किया था कि वल्लाहुल लुत्फ़, कुरान ने कहा कि अपनी ज़बान में नरमी पैदा करो. Speak with kindness. So remember, you have to speak with kindness. Learn these all important skills and knowledge. But I will just finish by thanking everybody for sparing their time. I know it's very important. The time is very important. The only important thing is in your life is your time. Or sparing your time, getting time out of your work, coming down to this university, trying to teach us. I am so thankful to you. So, alumni, please keep on coming back to us. Keep coming back to us. Keep training us. Keep teaching us. We need you. और आपका आना यहाँ पे हमारे लिए बहुत ही बरकत और हिम्मत और आपकी शफ़क़त का बायस होता है। और मैं इन अल्फाज के साथ असद असलम साहब का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए, बिकॉज़ रिसेंटली अभी पिछले 1 साल में हमें चाहे 1 लाख की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, 40 लाख की पड़ी है या 8 करोड़ की ज़रूरत पड़ी है, असद असलम साहब वाज देयर इन द फोरफ्रंट टू हेल्प अस आउट। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच असद असलम साहब, बहुत मेहरबानी। एंड थैंक यू एवरीबडी फॉर पुटिंग दिस शो टुगेदर। वी आर सो ऑनर्ड दैट यू आर हेयर टुगेदर। और मैं आपका चाहे जितना भी कर सकूँ मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा, लेकिन वो पूरा हो नहीं सकता, हक हो नहीं सकता। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ मैं अब चाहूँगा कि हम अपने फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को, हमारे ट्रेजरर ऑफ द पंजाब को, सर हम आपसे कुछ तलब नहीं करेंगे, हमने तो अपनी तलब ख़त्म कर दी हुई है कैमकाना और कैमका के साथ, ये इस ख़तरे के बगैर कि हमने आज आपसे कुछ लेना है। लेकिन आपका आना यहाँ पे हमारी लिए बड़ी इज़्ज़त का बायस है। आप यहाँ पे तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, आपको खुशामदीद। और प्लीज़ सेंड गुड वर्ड्स अबाउट द एलुमनाई एंड किंग एडवर्ड मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी, और हमारे बारे में नेक ख्वाहिशात रखें अपने दिल में और हमें अपना समझें, क्योंकि हम आपको अपना ही समझते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग हियर टुडे। थैंक यू।
Listening to your address is always a huge learning experience. Thank you, sir, for your enlightening speech. Chief guest of today's closing ceremony, Honorable Mr. Mushtaba Shajaur Rahman, Provincial Minister for Finance and Parliamentary Affairs. He has decades of political experience and has been providing dedicated service in provincial assembly in various positions. He continues to play a key role in shaping Punjab financial policies. Sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Professor Dr. Javed Akram Sahab, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Mahmood Ayaz Sahab, respected Professor Muhammad Moeen, Pro Vice Chancellor, respected Professor Asad Aslam Khan, respected Professor Asghar Naqi, respected Dr. Danish Bhatti, respected Dr. Asif Khan, respected Dr. Shafiq Gul, respected Dr. Adeem Mujtaba Raja, Honorable representatives of the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association of North America, the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association United Kingdom, the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association Pakistan, the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent of North America, esteemed national and international delegates, distinguished members of the faculty, researchers, alumni, and students, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. It is a great honor and a privilege for me to be present at the closing ceremony of the 45th King Edward Medical College University Annual International Scientific Conference and Grand Alumni Reunion. I extend my sincere gratitude to the Vice Chancellor, Organizing Committee, faculty members, and alumni leaders for hosting such a prestigious international academic forum. King Edward Medical University is one of the oldest, most prestigious, and most respected medical institutions in this region. Since its establishment in 1860, KEMU has played a historic role in shaping medical education, clinical excellence, and research in Pakistan. Its graduates have served with distinction in public hospitals, private healthcare systems, academic institutions, and international organizations across the globe. The continuity and academic rigor reflected by the 45th edition of this international scientific conference is a testament to KEMU's commitment to knowledge, innovation, and evidence-based medical practice. Scientific conferences like this are essential platform for exchanging ideas, addressing emerging healthcare challenges, and translating research into improved patient care. I am particularly encouraged by the strong international collaboration presented here today. The partnership with the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association of North America, the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association United Kingdom, the King Edward Medical College Alumni Association Pakistan, and the Association of Physicians of Pakistani Descent of North America highlights the vital role of Pakistani medical diaspora. These global networks strengthen academic ties, promote research collaborations, and connect local institutions with international best practices. Ladies and gentlemen, healthcare challenges today are complex and evolving, from non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and cancer to the infectious ones, mental health issues, and health system resilience. These challenges demand research-driven, innovative, and ethical solutions. Doctors remain the foundation of any effective healthcare system. Infrastructure, technology, and funding alone cannot deliver healthcare without skilled, dedicated, and motivated medical professionals. Our doctors continue to serve under demanding conditions, and their commitment to humanity deserves recognition, respect, and institutional support. Under the visionary and reform-driven leadership of Chief Minister of Punjab, Madam Maryam Nawaz Sharif, the government of the Punjab is currently making the largest and most focused public investment in the health sector. Healthcare has been placed at the core of the governance priorities, with a clear emphasis on strengthening hospitals, improving service delivery, and ensuring equitable access to quality and medical care. At present, the Punjab government is actively working to fulfill the operational and infrastructural needs of public hospitals, ensuring the availability of modern medical equipment, essential medicines, and improved healthcare facilities. A major focus of the government is the provision of the free medicines to the patients in public hospitals so that financial constraints do not become a barrier to treatment. Special initiatives have been introduced for patients suffering from chronic diseases such as diabetes and cancers, including the home delivery of the essential medicines, particularly for the patients who face mobility or access challenges. These measures reflect a shift toward patient-centered healthcare and preventive care. One of the most significant and widely appreciated initiatives has been the revival of pediatric cardiac surgeries at the Children's Hospital Lahore, restoring life-saving heart operations for children. This step underscores the government's strong commitment to child health care and specialized medical services. As a finance minister, I wish to emphasize that these reforms are backed by robust budgetary support. The government of Punjab firmly believes that investment in health is an investment in human capital. Substantial financial resources are being allocated for hospital upgradation, medical education, research, and human resource development, with a focus on transparency, efficiency, and sustainability. Equally important is our support for medical education and academic excellence. Institutions like King Edward Medical University are strategic national assets. The Punjab government remains committed to strengthening medical universities, promoting research, encouraging innovation, and fostering collaboration between academia, alumni organizations, professional bodies, and policymakers. I would like to take this opportunity to inspire young researchers, postgraduate trainees, and medical students to actively engage in research, lifelong learning, and ethical medical practice. Your contribution will shape the future of healthcare in Pakistan. I also acknowledge the invaluable role of faculty members and mentors who continue to guide and nurture the next generation of healthcare leaders. Before I conclude, let me reaffirm that the Government of Punjab stands firmly with medical community. We recognize and respect your sacrifices and are determined to create an environment where doctors can serve with dignity, security, and professional satisfaction. I congratulate King Edward Medical University on the successful organization of this landmark international conference and extend my best wishes for the scientific session, workshops, and deliberations. I sincerely hope that the outcome of this conference will translate into improved patient care and a strong public health system. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to present shields and mementos to distinguished faculty and guests. For this, I'm going to invite Vice Chancellor, King Edward Medical University, Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz, to please come for presentation of shields. I request Chief Guest, Mr. Mushtaba Shajaur Rahman, to please come for presentation of shields. Of Dr. Muhammad Fateh Shahzad, recipient of Lifetime Achievement.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. Fateh Shahzad for this Lifetime Achievement for Gymkhana. As you know, it takes a lifetime to really build an excellence, and among many people who have done so much work for Gymkhana, it is my pleasure to invite Fateh Shahzad. He was born in Bahawalnagar, graduated KE in '88, and has done residency in internal medicine in Columbia University, and now practices in Danville, Kentucky. And he has served Gymkhana as treasurer, as secretary, as president-elect and president, but he has served the longest without any titles and any roles. And he's now the serving member of Board of Trustees of Gymkhana and chairperson of Gymkhana Pakistan Foundation.
Thank you.
Fateh bhai ko aksar log jante honge because he is the power behind bringing Gymkholians to US, growing the Gymkhana presence and influence in North America, in really making our family more robust. He has also given a lot of time back to infrastructure projects in Pakistan, developing many initiatives for Mayo Hospital, including pediatric burn unit, ventilators, and other medical equipment, and building of Gymkhana village for victims flood in rural stream. And as you know, he has served also in many committees in Apna, but in Gymkhana, his achievements are second to none. So it's my great pleasure to award him the Lifetime Achievement for Gymkhana. Thank you so much.
ये जो कैम्पोलियंस बैठे हुए इनका लगता है अमेरिका जाने का कोई इरादा नहीं है। जो तालियां जो मुझे बता रही हैं कि वो इतने जो फतेह के लिए आप तालियां बजाएंगे तो ले जाएंगे आपको।
Our next award is Gymkhana Dr. Masood Akbar Research Award for KEMU undergraduate and postgraduate students. In the first category, we have postgraduate recipient. The first prize for this is for Dr. Waleed Tariq, resident thoracic surgery in the Department of Thoracic Surgery, King Edward Medical University, for rupees 50,000. Dr. Waleed Tariq. Second prize of 25,000 rupees for Mariam Ayub, Fellow Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, King Edward Medical University. Third prize, rupees 25,000 rupees for Dr. Sania Mumtaz. Dr. Sania Mumtaz, Fellow Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, third prize. For our undergraduate recipient, we have Muhammad Nabil Siddiq, fourth year MBBS. Dr. Nazish is going to receive the award for Sania Mumtaz. Undergraduate recipient Muhammad Nabil Siddiq, first prize rupees 50,000 rupees, fourth year MBBS student. Second prize Shamika Chima, second year MBBS, 25,000 rupees. Third prize Fatma Shahid, fourth year MBBS, 25,000 rupees. Fatma Shahid, third prize, fourth year MBBS. Now we have CAMCA UK NEET-based scholarship for 10 undergraduate students. This Dr. Asif Khan, President CAMCA UK, will present this to our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz. So I will request Vice Chancellor Saab to prevent shield to our faculty members who have actively participated in this conference. Professor Dr. Mohammad Moin, Pro Vice Chancellor and Convener 45th Annual Conference, International Conference. Professor Dr. Muhammad Imran, Dean Medicine and Allied Specialties, Chairman Organizing Committee. Professor Dr. Syed Asghar Naqi, Registrar, King Edward Medical University and Secretary, International Annual Conference. Professor Dr. Ali Madhi Hashmi, Chairman, Department of Psychiatry and Chairman, Scientific Committee. Professor Dr. Ibrar Ashraf, Chairperson, Department of Surgery and Chairman, Exhibition Committee.
Professor Dr. Muhammad Harun Hamid, Chairman Department of Pediatrics and Chairman Audiovisual Committee for 45th ChemCon. Professor Dr. Tahreem Fatma, Chairperson Department of Anatomy and Chairperson Refreshment and Entertainment Committee for 45th ChemCon.
Professor Dr. Nazish Imran, Chairperson, Department of Child and Family Psychiatry, Chairperson, Publication Committee. Professor Dr. Uzair Ahmed, Head of West Surgical Ward, Chairman, Hall Management Committee. Professor Dr. Mustahsan Bashir, Chairman, Department of Plastic Surgery. Professor Dr. Faiza Bashir, Chairperson, Department of Pathology, Chairperson, Reception Committee. Professor Dr. Nadia Khurshid, Head of Ops and Gynae, Co-Chair, Reception Committee. Professor Dr. Imran Hassan, Professor of Medicine, Chairman, Refreshment and Entertainment Committee. Professor Dr. Muneeb Ashraf, Chairman, Department of Pharmacology, Co-Chair, Refreshment. Dr. Faiza Begum, State Secretary, closing ceremony. Dr. Muhammad Umar Baraij, Assistant Professor of Surgery, Chairman, Transport and Accommodation Committee. Muhammad Rashid Javed, Assistant Registrar and Organizer, International Organization.
ये जो सामने चार प्रोफेसर बैठे हैं आपने इनको भी देना है ये जो बैठे हैं ना मैडम भी साहब ये दूसरी जो है सीधे में भी और ये पैनल में
Now I will request
Dr. Mehrana sir, Professor Mehrana sir.
our chief guest to present a shield to our Professor Dr. Mahmood Ayaz, Patron-in-Chief and Vice-Chancellor, King Edward Medical University.
अली जावेद को बुलवानी है किसकी जो है इसके लिए जो पढ़ा है उसने लेक्चर जो है
Now I will request Vice-Chancellor, King Edward Medical University to present a memento to our chief guest, Mr. Mushtaba Shajaur Rahman.
डॉक्टर अली जावेद को भी देनी है
प्रोफेसर साहब के लिए सॉरी प्रोफेसर अली जावेद के लिए शील्ड वगैरह थैंक यू
Now our Vice-Chancellor Saab will present shields to our honorable speakers and guests. Shield for Professor Ali Javed. Dr. Asif Khan. Dr. Asif Khan, Dr. Atal Saeed, Dr. Tabinda Dogal, Dr. Ambreen Rauf, Dr. Dr. Abdullah Gujar. Dr. Tariq Azim. Dr. Adeem Murtaza Raja. Dr. Fatma Asif. Dr. Sajjad. Professor Dr. Asad Aslam.
प्रोफेसर सजाद के खाने जो जो बता रहे हैं
Dr. Javed Akram.
ये दो स्टूडेंट जो
I will request Dr. Sajjad, Professor, Pathology Department, to please come. We have a shield for you. All students. In the end, we have two very special shields for Ahmad Rashid, Student League, 45th KMU Annual International Scientific Conference. Radia Wahid, Student League, 45th KMU Annual International Scientific Conference. Ahmad, आप क्या करना चाहते हो? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. For the vote of thanks, I will invite Dr. Moeen.
I'd like to thank everybody for attending this momentous occasion for Alumni CAMUCon 2025, and I'd like to thank the Minister for Finance for joining us, Professor Javed Akram, Professor Asad Aslam Khan for joining the occasion, and obviously the team from Kemkana, Dr. Danish Bharti, Dr. Asif for joining the sessions over here. I think the sessions were very well attended, and the working for the meeting did not end over here. It was something which went on. There were unsung heroes of the event, which I think Mohsin is one of the persons. He works in Kemkana. He deserves a big, he was sort of working late night till 3 p.m. Rashid is another person who worked very hard. The IT team over here, the projectionist over here, and the photography team. But not the least of them all is the faculty who organized, the organizing committee for this Kemkana event. I think they worked very hard. The psychiatry department, the chairman scientific committee, Professor Ali Madi Hashmi, was there with us every day. His team, all the residents were here and working with us, developing the scientific program and sort of formulating the program. And it was a sort of a very combined effort from all of us. The chairman, organizing committee, Professor Muhammad Imran, and the secretary organizing committee, the registrar. And I think the best credit goes to our vice chancellor, Professor Mahmood Ayaz. I think his thirst and his for knowledge and for excellence never finishes. That's why all the time he comes in and he says that you have to strive that, because this is something which we want to inculcate in all the Kemkolians who are here, and we look forward to seeing you next year, inshallah, at CAMUCon 2026. That will be going to be held in March, I think, next year. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us.